Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 70. So first we need to decide which sketch we will draw first in SolidWorks so we can get the basic shape of this exercise. So here is the best sketch is this top plane or we can say that is top view. So we draw this sketch in top plane in SolidWorks and create the rest of things. So I guess we only need to draw the one sketch, single sketch, and we will apply the extrude boss uh, one by one and create the final this exercise. So let's go on SolidWorks and create this. So here we select the top plane first and go to sketch and select the circle and draw one circle. We start from the outermost circle to innermost, right? So let's apply the diameter to it. So it is 180, right? And now select the offset entity, and this circle is just reverse the directions and it is 15 mm. So we get this circle, right? Now again select the circle and draw one more circle here, and diameter of this circle is around how much? It is 120. Yeah, it is 120. Now again select the circle and draw one more circle here, and this is 100, and just to make it construction geometry. Now again select the circle and draw one more circle, and this one is a 80. Yes, diameter is 80. So apply 80 diameter to the circle. Now again select the circle and draw one more circle. Diameter of this circle is 60. Now again select the circle and draw circle here, and diameter of this circle is 40. Now select the line command and draw one line here, and again select the line and draw one line here. Now select center line and draw one horizontal center line like that, and select again center line and draw one center line like that. Now select the line command and draw one line which is vertical like that, and here select the mirror entities, select these entities and select this center line, apply OK. Select smart dimension, the distance between these two lines is 20, right? And now select the circle and draw one circle here, and now select the center line, draw center line like that. Now select the smart dimension, the angle between these two lines is 45 degrees, right? And now here select circular sketch pattern, select this one. Sorry, first we need to apply the diameter to this circle which is 10 mm, right? Now select the circular sketch pattern, select this circle and select this two line, right? And apply OK. Number of instances is 4, right? So we get this shape. Now select the line command and draw one line like that. Now here select the mirror entities, select this one, and here select this center line, apply OK. Now select this arc which is from center. Now draw one arc like that. Okay, we just need to draw like that. Okay, now select the smart dimension, and radius of this arc is 100, sorry 110, right? So apply this radius, apply OK. Now exit the sketch. Now we just apply extrude boss one by one and get the final shape. So go to the extrude boss, and first of all select this outer one circle. This is our contour, and here select the blind, and it is 15 mm. Yeah, apply OK. Now again select extrude boss and select the same sketch, and just here apply the top plane so we get the basic idea how we'll go through. So select this one, and it is how much? It is 40, but here select from and select the surface face plane, and this is the surface and we need 40 mm, right? So apply OK. Now select again extrude boss and select the same top plane select this one. Right, now select this all circles, whatever geometry we have to select all the contours. Select these 4 circle and select this one. Okay, select. Okay, now you select surface, and this is the surface, right? And it is 15 mm. Okay, just one thing is remaining, so just make a top plane. Select this circle also. Okay, first we need to clear the selections and select the one by one. Select first this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, select the all contours, do not miss anyone. Now I think all we have, right? Apply OK. Now select again extruded boss, then select the sketch one, and here select the top plane, right? Now draw this one. Select this 4. First we need to select the surface plane and apply this one, so we get the basic shape like that, right? So that is more visible, right? And what is the height of this? It's around 30, right? Apply 30. Now again select the extruded boss and select this one, and now select this surface. Here first select the surface face plane and select this one, and now select the contour and just select the top plane. So now select this one, this one, this one, this one, and select this all 4, right? And what is the width? Oh sorry, what is the thickness of this? It's around 10, right? So apply 10. Now again select extruded boss and select the sketch one, and here select the top plane, and now first select the surface plane and select this bottom surface, right? And now select the contour, go to top plane and select this inner one, and here select the offset from the surface and select this surface, and it is around 10 mm, right? 15 mm, sorry. So here select the 50. Okay, apply OK. What happens? Okay, so again select this extruded boss. I don't know what the problem is. So here select first the top plane and this inner contour we need, right? Here just apply the surface face plane, and this is the surface face plane, right? And here apply offset from surface. This is the surface, we take the offset from here, apply 50 and give us the directions. Okay, we get this, right? Now select the extruded boss and sketch one. Here select the top and select the contour. This is this middle one. Okay, so contour has been completed. Now the surface, this is the surface. Okay, first clear the selections, this middle one we want, and here the surface is. Okay, select the offset surface and select this surface, and offset is how much? It is 10, so it is 10 mm. Reverse the offset and apply OK. Right, now exercise has been completed. We just need to apply appearance to it. So go to appearance, select the body and select this one, and this is our isometric view. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like.